Top 15 signs. Your engine has a serious problem. Don't ignore these warnings. Is your car your trusty steed, or is it starting to sound like a dying horse? Ignoring engine problems can turn a small fix into a major disaster. Let's dive into the 15 critical signs that your engine needs immediate attention. Engine performance and unusual sounds are often the first indicators of trouble. Pay close attention to how your car feels and sounds while driving. These subtle clues can save you a lot of money and headaches down the road. Notice your car struggling to keep up? Reduced power is a major red flag. It could be a sign of anything from a clogged air filter to a more serious internal engine issue. Is accelerating feeling sluggish? Does your car struggle to climb hills that it used to conquer with ease? A lack of engine responsiveness is a clear sign something isn't right. A smooth idle is a sign of a healthy engine. A rough idle, on the other hand, indicates an imbalance or misfire within the engine. Don't ignore those vibrations. Does your engine vibrate excessively when you're stopped at a light? Does it feel like it's about to stall? These are classic symptoms of a rough idle that needs investigating. Engines make noises, but some noises are definitely not normal. Listen carefully for any unusual sounds coming from under the hood. These sounds can be clues to specific problems. Hearing a knocking sound? This could indicate worn bearings or other serious internal damage. Ticking sounds might point to valve issues. A hissing sound could mean a vacuum leak or a coolant leak. Grinding sounds are never good and often indicate serious mechanical problems. An engine misfire is when one or more cylinders fail to fire properly. This can cause a noticeable drop in performance and fuel economy. Misfires can damage your catalytic converter if left unaddressed. Does your engine sputter or hesitate, especially during acceleration? Does it feel like it's jerking or stumbling? These are telltale signs of an engine misfire. Backfiring is a loud, popping sound coming from the exhaust. It's caused by unburnt fuel igniting in the exhaust system. Backfiring can damage your exhaust system and even your engine. Hearing loud popping sounds from the exhaust, this indicates unburnt fuel is making its way into the exhaust system. It's a sign of an imbalance in the air-fuel mixture. Visual inspections and fluid level checks are crucial for maintaining engine health. Leaks and unusual exhaust smoke are often easy to spot and can provide valuable insights. Don't underestimate the power of a quick visual check. The check engine light is your car's way of saying, "Hey, something's not right." It's the most common warning sign of engine trouble. Don't ignore it. The check engine light can indicate a wide range of problems, from minor issues to serious malfunctions. Get it checked out by a mechanic as soon as possible. Ignoring it can lead to more expensive repairs down the line. The color of the smoke coming from your exhaust can tell you a lot about what's going on inside your engine. Different colors indicate different problems. Pay attention to the smoke. Blue smoke indicates that your engine is burning oil. White smoke often suggests a coolant leak, possibly a blown head gasket. Black smoke usually means your engine is running too rich, with excessive fuel. Oil leaks are a common problem, and they can lead to serious engine damage if left unchecked. Regularly check for oil leaks under your car and around the engine. A little prevention goes a long way. Seeing puddles of oil under your car? This is a clear sign of an oil leak. Check around the engine for any visible leaks as well. Coolant leaks can cause your engine to overheat, leading to catastrophic damage. Keep an eye out for coolant leaks around the engine and radiator. Coolant leaks often have a distinct sweet smell. Spotting green or red fluid leaking from your car. This is likely coolant. Check for leaks around the engine, radiator, and hoses. Low oil pressure means your engine isn't getting enough lubrication. This can cause serious damage to internal engine components. The oil pressure warning light is a critical indicator. The oil pressure warning light illuminating on your dashboard is a serious concern. It indicates insufficient lubrication, which can lead to rapid engine wear. Stop driving immediately and get it checked. Unusual temperatures and smells are often warning signs of serious engine problems. Your senses can be powerful diagnostic tools. Don't ignore unusual smells or a rising temperature gauge. Overheating is a critical engine problem that can cause severe damage. If your engine overheats, pull over immediately and let it cool down. Continuing to drive an overheating engine can lead to a blown head gasket or even a seized engine. Is your temperature gauge in the red zone? This signals a critical engine problem. Pull over immediately and let the engine cool down before attempting to drive again. Burning smells are never a good sign. They can indicate a variety of problems, from oil leaks to electrical issues. Identifying the source of the burning smell is crucial. Smelling a distinct burning oil smell. This could indicate an oil leak onto a hot engine component. A burning plastic smell might point to an electrical issue. A burning rubber smell could be a slipping belt. A sweet, syrupy smell is often associated with coolant leaks. Coolant has a distinctive odor that's easy to recognize. If you smell something sweet, check your coolant levels. Smelling a sweet, syrupy odor coming from your car? This is often associated with coolant leaks. Check your coolant reservoir and look for leaks around the engine. Starting difficulties and excessive oil consumption are often signs of internal engine wear. These problems can gradually worsen over time. Addressing them early can prevent more serious damage. Difficulty starting can indicate a variety of problems, from a weak battery to a faulty starter motor. It can also be a sign of more serious engine issues. Don't ignore a persistent starting problem. Does your engine crank but won't start? This could indicate a fuel or ignition problem. Does it take a long time to start? This might suggest low compression or a weak fuel pump. Excessive oil consumption means your engine is burning or leaking oil at an abnormal rate. This can lead to low oil levels and engine damage. Regularly check your oil level and top it off as needed. Finding yourself needing to frequently top up your oil, even without visible leaks. This indicates excessive oil consumption. It's a sign of internal engine wear. Ignoring these signs can lead to catastrophic engine failure and expensive repairs. Early detection and prompt action are key to maintaining your engine's health. Regular maintenance is also crucial for preventing problems. It's crucial to seek prompt diagnosis and repair by a qualified mechanic if you notice any of these signs. Early intervention can prevent minor issues from escalating into major problems. Regular maintenance, such as oil changes and inspections, is essential for preventing engine problems. Now that you know the top 15 signs of engine trouble, you're better equipped to keep your car running smoothly. Don't wait until it's too late. If you've noticed any of these symptoms, schedule a checkup with your trusted mechanic today. Like this video? Subscribe to our channel for more car care tips and tricks. Leave a comment below and let us know what other car maintenance topics you'd like us to cover.